Here we have the CRKT Hammond cruiser knife. It measures 5 1/4 inches closed. It is a liner lock. It does have the matte finish stainless partially serrated modified clip point blade with dual thumb studs. This one has the OD green textured Zidal handles with dual lanyard holes, and it does feature the lock safety system. It has a reversible matte finish stainless pocket clip, and it does include an extra matte finish pocket clip with screws. It is the Jim Hammond design, and I'll take a little closer look at it real quick. But I do have other CRKT knives available, so thanks for checking out the video.